Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. In this lecture, we will see concatenation of a language as well as concatenation of two FA. Okay, so here if you see this question we have directly constructed DFA which accepts set of all string over a comma b which starts with a and ends with b. So the language is containing set of all string starting with a and ends with b. For this language we can construct in three ways. One that I have shown you in the lecture, that directly you can construct. Another by using the cross product. So you know the cross product, so that's why I will not explain here by using cross product. I will just give you the idea. So here it is saying it starts with a one language is this language is having concatenation of two language or and of two language, because see here and it is saying sometimes here the language is such a way that here and concatenation, by doing and concatenation we are getting the language L, but it doesn't mean that and concatenation both are same. Okay, so it's a coincidence here that if you do the concatenation of two languages and of two languages, here you are going to get the same language. Say if you see here, it is saying set of all string over a comma b which starts with a and ends with b. So L1 assumes set of all strings starts with a. So what it is going to contain, set of all string starts with a B, any number of A, B, A, like this. Now L2 you assume that set of all strings ends with B, like B, then any number of B, it ends with B, see, it ends with B, A, B, it ends with B. Now our L is saying concatenation L1 dot L2. First L1 will come, then L2 will come. So how to do the concatenation? You write the language, the strings that are in L1, A, B, A, B, then in L2 it is having B, B, triple B, A, B, like this. Now in concatenation of two language, you take every string from first language, that here is L1, and concatenate, that is append every string that is present in L2. So you take every string from L1, so I am taking A first, then I am appending every string that is present in L2. So AB, then ABB, then A triple B, like this. Then AAB, then ABA. This A you have taken, so A, this, then AB, then again AB. See, A taken, B, A, then double B, A, then triple B, A, then AB, A, then AB, AB. See, you have taken this. This is from L1 and this is from L2. So if you append like this, you are always going to get set of all string starts with a, ends with B. Now if you do the for this language, since here it is and I have told you and intersection both are same, that is equal to cross product. So if you do the cross product of that, then also you are going to get L. Okay. So individually we will construct for L1. So this way we have seen how to do the concatenation of two languages. Now we will see how to do the concatenation of two FA. Now for L1 I will construct D1. And for L2 I will construct D2. So L1 is our set of all string starts with a. If it is getting A, accepted. After that any combination of A comma B. If it is getting B, rejected, dead state. So this is your D1 for language L1. Then L2 ends with B, getting B, accepted. Assuming that this may be the last B, if again getting B, any number of B, accepted. But we will getting A, come back here because it's now no more ends with B. After getting A, if I again getting any number of A, B there. Or before getting first B, if you are getting any number of A, B there. So for this state A, I have given the transition of AB. This state also I have given the transition of AB. So this is D2 for L2. Now we will do D1 dot D2, concatenation of D1 dot D2. So for the language L1 dot L2. So how to do? What we will do? We are going to merge the final state of D1 with the initial state of D2. So whichever state will be in the beginning, whichever DFA or FA will be in the beginning, I am going to merge the final state of the first FA with the initial state, the second FA. And to the merged state, I am going to give the transition according to the L. So we have to see that which transition we should give so that it should satisfy the language. And rest other state, the transition will remain same. Now see, this is going to remain same. Get state, getting A. Now merge the final state of this with the initial state of this. So this transition, and we have to check according to the means in this that I have given, but we have to see which transition we should give in that state. So now see, it is saying it starts with A and ends with B. So after getting A, you reach here. If you are getting any number of A, then B there, and getting B, go there. Okay. So for every state, I have given the transition for A comma B. So this is a minimal DFA for the language. Means how to do the concatenation of two machines FA, merge the final state of first machine D1 here it is with the initial state of D2, and to the merged state we have to give the transition according to the language L, that is going, the L is your L1 dot L2, and rest of the state is going to have the same transition, nothing is going to change. So I have written the notes for you people, so you can write in your notebook. It is saying that if we have two languages L1 and L2, D1 and D2 are two automatons which represent L1 and L2 respectively. So for D1 there is L1 and D2 for language L2. Then in order to concatenate D1 and D2, we have to merge final state of D1 with the initial state of D2. Then the transition have to be changed in the merged state. In the merged state we have to change the transition properly according to the language, and rest of the state will remain same.